Most people are using AI completely wrong in affiliate marketing. They're asking it to write random posts and hoping that something sticks. But that's not how this works. In this video, I'm going to show you my exact affiliate workflow and where AI fits into it. So you can go from idea to traffic to email to commissions without overthinking any of it. And I'll actually show you a real email I used and how I created it in under 2 minutes. I've been doing affiliate marketing for over 25 years, and for most of that time, writing emails was one of the biggest time drains in my business. Getting the angle right, the subject line, the call to action, it used to take hours, but now it takes minutes. Let me show you why. The only tool I use for writing affiliate emails is ChatGPT. And no, you don't need the paid version. The free account does everything I'm going to show you today. There's no setup, no integrations, nothing to install. You just open it up, type in what you need, and it writes. You give it the context, it gives you a draft, and then you make a couple of tweaks and it's ready to send. Let me show you how that looks with a real affiliate email from scratch. Before I paste anything into ChatGPT, I want to show you the prompt I'm going to use, because the prompt is everything. And this is what tells ChatGPT what to write, who it's writing for, and what tone to use. So let's walk through it quickly. I'm telling it the offer, which is OLSP, and what it is. I'm giving it the pain point: job security, fear of redundancy. I'm telling it how to open the email, what the body should do, and what the call to action is. And right at the end, I'm specifying the tone and the length. The more context you give it, the better the output. A vague prompt gets you a generic email. A specific prompt gets you something you can actually use. So let's paste that in and see what we get. I always let this run on screen so you can see it's not magic. It's just processing what I gave it. It takes about 10 seconds. Okay, so let's look at what it's given us. Honestly, this is pretty good straight away. The subject line: what if your income didn't rely on your job? I like that. It's not clickbait, it's a genuine question that the right person will stop at. I'd probably keep that exactly as it is. So it's opened with "Hey Paul." Well, obviously that's my name because it's written it from my perspective. So when I actually send this, I'll swap that for "Hey, first name," and my email system personalizes that automatically. And then it goes straight into the pain point: rising costs, job cuts, companies tightening budgets. No waffle, just context. So that line, that quiet thought in the back of your mind: what happens if my income suddenly stops? That's exactly the feeling we're going for, and ChatGPT nailed that. The OLSP description is clean: simple platform, earn commissions, starting from scratch, no complicated setup. That matches what I'd say myself. And now this bit, just a step-by-step way to build a second income that isn't tied to an employer. I really like that framing, and I might actually steal that for other emails. And the close is good too. It's not about replacing your job overnight, it's about having something ticking over in the background, just in case. So that's honest, it's low pressure, and it's exactly the tone I want. So the one thing I'd add, and this is important, is a line about the fact that I'm actually using OLSP myself and earning commissions from it. So AI can write around the offer, but it can't write your proof. That's the bit only you can add, and it's the bit that makes people trust you enough to click. So I'd drop that in just before the call to action. So one sentence, something like, "I've been using it myself and I'm already seeing commissions come in." And then straight into the link. So everything else I'd leave. So what was the total editing time? Well, maybe about 3 minutes on top of a 10-second generation from ChatGPT. So that's the whole process. So let me zoom out for a second and show you where everything fits together. So it all starts with traffic. People finding you through Quora, social media, YouTube, whatever source you're using. That traffic goes to an opt-in page where they enter their email in exchange for something free. So in my case, that's a PDF guide. Once they've opted in, they land on a thank you page, which is where I introduce myself, show a bit of proof, and warm them up to the offer. And then they go into an email sequence, a series of emails that go out automatically over the following days, building trust, providing value, and pointing people toward the affiliate offer. And that's exactly what we just built in ChatGPT. One of those emails written in under a minute. At the end of the sequence is the offer itself. In my case, that's OLSP, but the same process works for any affiliate program you're promoting. AI touches almost every part of this. The opt-in page copy, the thank you page script, the email sequence, all of it drafted faster than I could have done it manually. The workflow stays the same. AI just removes the bottleneck. So we're going to be using AI for this. Now you can use whatever AI you want. I'm using ChatGPT and I'm also using Claude, but you might have other ones you want to use, such as Gemini. Perfectly fine. So the first thing is we're gonna need traffic, right? So my writing is not the best on these whiteboards, but I'm going to give it a go. So we need traffic. So that traffic is going to write our Quora posts. So Quora is a website where you can go on there and make posts. So it's going to make posts for Quora and also our social media posts. And on here we have, so we got Quora. So it's going to make Quora posts and social media posts. So AI is going to write all that for us. And if we have an opt-in page where we're going to be collecting the email address, AI is going to write the headline and any bullet points that we have. And if we have a thank you page and that has a video, then we're going to use AI to actually script that video. And of course, if we have an email sequence, then AI is going to draft each of those emails. And I've already showed you an example of that. And at the end of it all, of course, we can have our affiliate offer. So this could be whatever you want to promote, System.io, OLSP, or whatever. So I'm promoting OLSP. So all of this, the social posts, Quora posts, the email opt-ins, the thank you page, and everything there, it's all directed to my affiliate offer. It all leads there, even the emails, they all lead to the affiliate link. So just to sum it up with a workflow, because it's probably better to explain than my sort of messy writing. So we have the traffic, which AI is helping with. It's helping us to write our Quora answers and our social posts. And then AI will write the headline and the bullet points for our opt-in page, where we collect the email address. And then on the thank you page, AI is going to help script the video. And then we have our email sequence, which AI will also help us to write. So I've already shown you an example of that. And finally, everything will be directing to our affiliate offer. So in my case, it's OLSP, but you might have something else. So all roads lead to our affiliate link. We can also use AI to create our Facebook posts. So this one, for example, was created using Grok. I just uploaded a photo and I asked it for a background and it created that. And then on that post, I give a little story and that's it. You know, it got 20 comments and 26 reactions. So it's pretty good for that post. And what I do is I don't actually put any links in posts. I just put my link in my profile here just to be safe. So if people like your posts, they'll at some point they'll come and check out your profile, click your link, and they might opt in or buy your affiliate offer or whatever it is that you're promoting. Here's another one. I think this was done in ChatGPT. So basically give it a prompt and it'll come up with an image for you. We also have these type of posts. You have like a one-liner on a colored background. These are very easy to put together in AI. So I'm just saying here in ChatGPT, please give me a valuable one-liner for a Facebook colored background type post. Make it for the affiliate marketing niche. If I send that off, let's see what it comes back with. So it's come back with quite a few. So if I take this one here, just copy this, come back into Facebook, and then I start to create the post. What I can do is click this icon here, just give me a background, then I just paste in that quote, and that's it really. And then you would just post it, and you could just keep knocking these up all the time if you wanted to. You got enough here, you could just copy each one, maybe post about 3 a day, and it will get you traffic. Now I want to show you something real. This is my OLSP dashboard. These are actual commissions I've earned. So I can't point you to one specific email and say that email made that sale. That's not how it works. So you're building trust over a sequence of touch points. Someone opts in, reads a few emails, watches a video, and eventually decides to take action. The email is one part of that chain. But here's what I can tell you. This is the system, traffic, opt-in, emails, offer. AI helps me run it faster and more consistently than I ever could manually. And these commissions are the result of that system working. I'm not showing you this to impress you. I'm showing you it's real. This isn't theory. It's a working affiliate setup that I've built and that's producing results. So that's my exact workflow. Nothing complicated, no fancy tools, just a simple system with AI doing the heavy lifting. So if you want to start building something like this yourself, I put a link below where you can see the exact same setup that I use. And if this helped, make sure you subscribe. I'll be sharing more workflows like this. I'll see you in the next video.